to my channel, and if you already subscribed, welcome back to my channel. I'm just melting the butter into the milk. Then I have my onions and my garlic here, and the butter is already melted, so I added the shredded cheese, parsley, and ranch, and just mixed that up very well. So right here, I just put it in the bowl, and I'm adding some cottage cheese and some eggs, and just want to mix that really well. This is the consistency you should have. So if you're wondering, then yeah, there you go. This is my onion puree, and I'm going to be adding half to the meat sauce. So I chopped up my garlic and got that all ready. And I'm already browned and drained my ground beef and added all my seasonings to it, and the garlic as well, if I didn't already say that. And this is the seasonings that I used. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box. And right here, I just added the meat sauce. It smells so good. And right here is my glass pan that I have. I'm going to be layering my lasagna in. I'm using the oven ready lasagna noodles because it's just easier, and you don't have to worry about doing extra stuff. Okay, so when I'm done layering my lasagna, I like to add shredded cheese at the end. And also, this is my French bread that I get from Walmart. As you can see, it's only $1, and it's like really, really good. And it makes good French toast too. Here's my onion puree. This is the other half that I'm adding it with the garlic. And this is it all mixed up with some garlic powder as well, and some butter. I just put it on, sliced the bread and put it on there, and this is the end result, the lasagna and the garlic bread. So it's really, really good, and I hope you guys like it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.